Guess who's back? Back again. Paula's back. Tell her, hey, remember that one time you left us at the beach and I didn't even know how to work this camera?
Okay,
Yet do I still know how to even use this thing?
Let me take over.
Hey, what's up guys? Giancarlo here from GC3 Fitness, and in today's video, I'm gonna take you through an efficient yet effective full body warm-up routine. All right, so if you're gonna be doing some type of cardio, high intensity, Tabata, full body exercises, then this is the warm-up video for you. Paula, you ready to do this?
Let's do it.
Here we go, let me get my timer. And here we go. We're gonna start off with hands inside. Wow, hands inside. All right, so we're going in, out. Okay, we wanna make sure that we're engaging our scap. You don't wanna go big swings, all right? Let's start off nice and easy. We'll go about one round through. We're gonna go 2 rounds, but that first round, nice and easy, and then we'll start to pick it up on that second round. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go into jumping jacks now. So big reaches up top. Okay, try to avoid just here. Let's get big reaches, full range of motion. All right, again, it should be a nice and easy warm up as we're going through this for our first time, okay? I'm sorry if my ankles tend to crack a lot, so you probably will be hearing that a lot. All right, going into the next one, we're going into a nice and easy jog, all right? So this is more like a high knee, but again, second round, we'll pick it up even more. So right now, nice and easy, right? Jogging in place. Right, getting the full body going, not just hands behind, right? Full body, moving your full body. Here we go, next one. We're gonna go into a mid squat, pause, come back in, pause outside. I wanna make sure we're really getting those knee joints nice and warmed up in case you have some squats, right? Some mountain climbers, whatever it is, full body. Here you go. Make sure to check out my high intensity videos that I have throughout this whole channel. All right, but other than that, we're going into the next one and we're gonna go into side chops, okay? And I want you to pivot your foot. Now, if it's not side chops, right, you can get creative and even go like side punches, right? Same thing, right? Maybe like we're boxing in place, but notice how I'm pivoting, right, to really work my full core. But again, side chops or even side punches, okay? Ready, going into the next one. Now we're gonna go into deadlift jumps. So you wanna send your hip back, touch the floor, jump up. Little jump, slight little jump. Let me give you a side view real quick. Boom. Right, send that butt back, really feel those hamstrings. Right, getting that heart rate up, getting that blood flowing. All right, going into that next one. Now we're gonna work our way down into a push-up position. Lift your hips up, touch your toes, hips up, touch your toes, right? Really stabilizing the shoulder, working full body right now, getting a nice little warm up before our actual workout. Here we go, how many seconds? 5 seconds, 3, 2, okay, and here, we're gonna bring our feet in. Now we're gonna go shoulder taps. So we're gonna tap our shoulder, right? Try to avoid so much of the rocking, and let's try to keep it more core stabilized this, and just tap, tap, nice and easy, tap, tap. You wanna get creative, you can tap the knee. All right, from here, we're gonna start opening up our hips. So we're gonna bring our hips through, come right back. So bring that hip through, come down. Hip through, woo. We're getting warmed up now, for real. Hip through, good, let's get one more. Good, now, let's go back to the top now, going in for that second round. You already know what we're doing, so let's try to pick it up a little bit, okay? Here we go, first one. I'm already getting a nice sweat going, but it is hot in this gym, just like always. So, it'd kind of be helpful if you're warming up with no AC, all right? Getting ready to transition into our jumping jacks. Here we go, let's try to go right into it. Nice. Hands up, down, hands up, down. Good. I'm sorry about those ankles. I just always had cracky ankles, I guess. We're gonna start going into that jog, but I want you to make it more of high knees, okay? This is gonna be the last time you're gonna do that, so let's start to pick it up, okay? And when you're jogging in place and doing high knees, you wanna make sure you're not just bringing your knees up and having your hands by your side or in your pocket. You wanna make sure you're using your full body. You wanna be connected to the ground from head to toe. All right, here we go. We're gonna go into that mid squat. Here we go, and out. Pause, come in, pause. You can get a little bit deeper now that we've been warming up for the past 4 minutes. Pause, right? Get a little bit deeper, maybe feel the groin a little bit. All right, here we go. We're gonna transition into those deadlift jumps. I'm gonna give you that side view. Touch the floor, butt up. Good. Send that hip back, slightly bend at the knee. Couple more seconds. You guys by now should be pretty warmed up. All right, here we go. Working our way towards the ground. And hips up, tap your ankle, hips up, tap your ankle. Now for some of you, this may even be an actual workout if you added more rounds to it. But I would say this would be more of a warm up. You may even want to go a little bit slower. All right, let's go into those shoulder taps now. Shake it off if you need to. It's a warm up, so it's at your own pace, right? So up, tap the shoulder. But obviously, the faster we do it, the quicker we get to our workout, and the more intense we make it, right? The faster our heart rate goes up, and that's what we want. We just want to get the body temperature up before our actual workout, so we prevent any injuries, okay? Last one is going to those hip thrusts. We go through, come down, really opening up the hips, kind of sit down for a second. Boom, sit. This can technically be a workout. But again, keep it nice and slow. Let's get one more. And rest, all right? Woo! So, by now, okay, technically you should be able to have a conversation with someone, because if not, then we made it more of a high intensity workout. But being that I was talking throughout the whole video, a little bit winded, okay? But you guys wanna keep in mind that if you're gonna do some type of strength training, and very isolated strength training, and I mean like, let's say we're gonna work on chest and shoulders, an upper body day, then this warm-up may not be for you. Why? Because then you have no need to do squats, to do high knees, to do lunges, because you're doing upper body. So you wanna focus on doing exercises like chest, shoulders, lighter weight, focus on engaging the muscles that are gonna be actually worked on when, if you're gonna be working full body, again, at home videos, which I have throughout this whole channel, okay? Full body exercises, then you wanna make sure we warm up correctly, get the body warmed up, get the joints moving, okay? Blood flow moving throughout the body. Now, if you notice, we did a dynamic warm up and not static stretching. All right, static stretching would be more for post-workout while our muscles are already nice and warmed up, body's already going, because we wanna make sure we get into full ranges of motion, and we wanna make sure we break through some ranges of motion to make sure we increase our flexibility. So that's gonna involve some type of warming up. That's why you don't get out of bed right away and just grab your ankle and right? We wanna make sure we warm up first before getting into those stretches. So make sure you do something like this. It could be my actual workout or something around this. Keep it very short. Doesn't have to be 10, 15, 20 minutes. It's a warm up. Keep it short, keep it effective. Get into your workout, and then you can finish off with a 5, 10, 15 minute static stretching routine. All right, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit me with a like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to tap that little bell so you guys get notified when I post. As for now, make sure you guys let me know in the comments below. Never let Paula leave my side again, because you and I, girl, we the team.
Look, how many times
We the team.
I have to say my bad? How many times?
Look, you don't have to apologize to me at this point. You gotta apologize to all the viewers, all right?
I'm here to stay, y'all. I'm
Forever.
here to stay.
Let's
Forever,
go.
ever.
Getting stuck, I see feet in the mud. You have been caught in the flood. While the water is